guys, welcome back to my channel Miss McBlush. My name is Muskan. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Holi. Please be safe this Holi. Please have a lot of fun and let others have fun. Be easy on the water balloons, the eggs, the tomatoes and whatever. Just let others also have fun and make sure it's a safe and clean Holi. Also guys, please try saving water this Holi. Don't use too much water, don't waste too much water. Play a dry Holi with herbal colors, please. With natural colors, what I mean. So yeah, don't waste water, don't trouble others. Have a very good Holi, have a very fun Holi, because who doesn't love Holi and who doesn't like being all white and colorful. Now coming back to this video is a lot of tips and tricks that have been helping me over the years to prevent my hair and my skin from getting stained with all the harsh colors. Now these are tips from my mom, from my chachi, from all the ladies who like they have all these tips that really work. So yeah, I have a bunch of them regarding skincare, hair care, nail care. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep watching and let's get started. So the first thing that I want to talk about is nail care. So what you can do to prevent your nails from that dirty staining is you can take a dark colored nail paint. Now I don't like dark nail paints, but I still went in with this pink nail paint by Nykaa. So the name of this nail paint is Sweet Pea Blush and it's a very pretty bright pink nail paint that I love. I've been wearing this nail paint non-stop for the recent times. So what wearing a dark nail paint does is it won't let the color stain your nails. So it will protect your nails. Once you are done playing Holi, you can remove it with a normal nail paint remover and you can get away with it. The second tip that I have for nail care is a transparent base coat. Now a lot of us have gel nails and extensions on our nails these days. So if you have gel nails or extensions, what you can do is you can apply a really thick layer of a top coat or a base coat or transparent coat. So what it does is it won't stain your extensions or the gel paint. So you can remove this with an acetone free remover later. The second tip is for eye care. So now a lot of you guys wear lenses. It is going to be a really stupid decision to wear lenses while you're playing Holi, because it's a stupid idea, because the color goes into your eyes and lenses can be really irritating. Now I don't have lenses, but my brother does and a lot of friends do, and I know that it irritates your eye once the color goes into your eye. So that's why you can always wear glasses, and glasses are cute. So yeah, what you can do is instead of lenses this year, you can shift to glasses, because it will kind of protect your eye also, and you won't even get your lenses effed up, and yeah, your eyes are going to be safe. So the next thing I have is for my hair. What we can do for hair is coconut oil is going to be your best friend when it comes to Holi and colors. Now what coconut oil does is it is going to not let the color seep into your skin. So what you can do is you can apply coconut oil or any oil. If you are allergic to coconut oil, you can choose some other oil, but what you need to do is you need to oil your hair so that the color doesn't seep into your hair, or your hair is not dry enough for the color in the water to seep into your hair. Apply a thin layer. Make sure your hair are really moisturized and oiled. And the next thing that I would suggest is making a bun or tying a braid so that your hair is not open or exposed to the colors directly. So you can always tie a braid or a bun, and yeah, you can play Holi as much as you want. Moving on to skin. Coming back to Patanjali coconut oil. This is my Holy Grail coconut oil. Like I know a lot of you guys use the original parachute oil, but this oil works really. It's non-sticky, it's not too greasy, it's just perfect. It's light on the skin as well. So what I want you to do, I want you to lather this up on your skin. Just apply it on your hands, apply it on your neck, apply it on your hair, on your face, on your entire body, and make sure you do that, because this won't allow the color to sit on your skin. It will add an extra layer between your skin and the color so that the color won't seep in and the color will probably come off easily. So yeah, so the next thing that I have for you guys is actually about lip care. So make sure you apply a very thick layer of lip balm before applying a lipstick or anything. It will add extra moisture to your lips, as well as it will add an extra layer so color won't settle on your lips. The lip balm that I'm using is Lucas's Purple Ointment, and I'm just gonna apply my lipstick because I haven't. So the lipstick that I'm gonna use is by Kiko Milano. It's this heart-shaped, really pretty lipstick. And yeah, I think this was limited edition for Valentine's Day. It's in the shade 02 and the range was Lip Me Lots. I love it. The second tip that I have for skincare is sunscreen. So what you want to do is you want to apply sunscreen 30 minutes before you start playing Holi. That will give your skin enough time to take the sunscreen in and to let the action of the sunscreen begin. And we all know that we play Holi under the sun, the direct sun, and we are exposed to water and colors, and you never know what helps the UV rays to damage our skin further. So a sunscreen is a must, and this is by Body Shop. It's called the Skin Defense. It has SPF 50. So yeah, you need this in your life, or whatever sunscreen. Apply it on your body, apply it on your neck, apply it on your hands, apply it on your face generously so that you protect your skin from sun and the chemicals and the color, and so that nothing stops you from having fun this Holi. So these were all my pre-Holi tips, you guys. These were all to prevent the damage. Now let's come to the post-care. If color gets into your eyes, or if something happens to your eyes, what you need to do is you need to wash them immediately with cold water. If not cold water, then milk is an extraordinary option to wash your eyes with, because what milk does is it will absorb the color really quickly, so it will the color will free your eyes really soon. Or you can use cold water to wash your face or your eyes if it starts irritating you. For your hair, you don't want to wash your hair immediately after playing Holi. What you need to do is you need to take an egg, apply an egg 40 to 45 minutes on your hair, and what that is going to do, that is going to add extra moisture in your hair, and it will make the color leave your hair. I don't know how, but it will make your color leave the hair, and then you can wash your hair. The second thing, if you don't want to use egg, you can always use curd, like dahi. You can apply it on your hair and you can leave it for a while, and dahi will almost do the same thing as the egg, but egg is always better to apply on your hair. So yeah, whatever suits you, do that. Don't wash your head directly after playing Holi. Leave it for some time, like take a gap of like say 40 minutes, and then like apply a hair mask or apply a hair spa or something like that, add that extra moisturization, and then wash your hair. That is all I was trying to say. The next thing, coming back to skin. So if the color doesn't come off your skin, in case it doesn't, take olive oil, mix a little bit of salt in it, and scrub your skin with it, and that will make the color go away. Like it will make your skin lose the color, and it will come off really nicely when you take a shower or whatever. And recently I wanted to remove my mehendi, and I tried scrubbing coconut olive oil with salt, and yeah, it got rid of a lot of mehendi. So yeah, that is a really nice trick. Also, one last thing that I want to mention before ending this video is that we recently crossed 150,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is amazing. You guys don't know how much I love you all. Thank you so much for all the love. Please, let's just make this family a big family of 500k, and I love you guys. A very happy Holi. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to comment down below and give me all the love. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye.